How's it going, you guys? Welcome back to Blake Check. Alright, so I have good news and bad news for you guys today. Let's start with the bad news. So the bad news is that my car is totaled. Just kidding, it's not totaled. So there was a minor issue with my car. It's nothing catastrophic, it's not a big deal. It's just the 4G LTE connectivity, just like on your phone, it went out. And that's a result of two things, possibly. The 12-volt battery was giving off a fault, and that's easy to replace. The second part was that there might be a problem with the modem itself. So just like in your house, the modem controls like the wireless internet or like the mobile data service, like the 4G that I was just talking about. So they're going to run some more diagnostics on that. So that's what's holding up my car even more. So it's going to stay here for another day. They're thinking that it'll be ready by about 5 p.m. tomorrow, so about 24 hours from now, which is not a big deal because they've set me up with a loaner, and it's this beautiful Model X behind me, and I'm super excited to drive that home and not have to worry about catching Ubers and stuff, and instead get to be in a Tesla again. That's one of the best things about owning a Tesla is, most of the time, if you go at the right time and you schedule an appointment and everything, they'll set you up with a loaner. So again, the reason I was on Uber vouchers is because that's their backup plan if you come in for without an appointment. So yeah, the good news is I've got a loaner, so even if my car's not ready tomorrow, at least I'll have this. I'll have some collateral or something, so I'll be able to trade this back once my car's ready. So yeah, continue to follow along for more updates, but I'm hoping that the next time you see my face, it'll be me telling you that my car's done, it's perfectly fine, and we'll get back to business as usual. I've already done a review on a Model X, that'll be linked below. You should definitely check that out. They're great vehicles. The Falcon Wing doors are a lot of fun. So I'm not going to do a full review on this video. I'm just going to do, you know how I like to do those like slow-mo panning shots and stuff. So I'm going to do that with this car too. But yeah, let's take a look at some slow-mo panning photos of the Model X. Alright, you guys, that's about all I have for you today. If you like what you saw and you want to see what happens next, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. But until next time, this has been Blake Check, and that's a wrap.